Attention NORCET aspirants, if you are also preparing for the upcoming AIMS exam, then you can't afford to skip this video, because I am going to provide you the high yield update related to the Sienna Press or the DMPA subQ. Because AIMS loves to ask the direct questions on the National Family Planning Program, or specifically the reset global guidelines or the changes and the updates. Now let's talk about the core clinical facts that you will be tested on. What is the route of the administration, what is the dose, how it will be differ from the traditional DMPA injection that was available with the name of the Antra under the National Family Planning Program. So I'm going to tell you the both of these injections difference. The first one is firstly I want to tell you the names of these both injections. Traditionally, as you know, it was available with the name of the Antra. Now according to the recent updates and the guidelines with these under the National Family Planning Program, it is available with the name of the Sienna Press subcutaneous injection. So what is the chemical name of both these injections? Traditionally it was available with the name of the DMPA, that is the dimethylhydroxyprogesterone acetate. Right now again same chemical is used in this injection. The route of the administration, Antra was administered in the IM route, and the Sienna Press we have to administer in this subcutaneous route. Now if we talk about the dose, Antra dose was the 150 mg in the 1 ml, and the Sienna Press is available in the 104 mg in 0.65 ml. So if I talk about the anatomical side of the drug administration or the injection administration, traditionally Antra was administered either in the deltoid route or in the gluteal muscles. Next, now this injection, that the Sienna Press, you can administer in the anterior thigh or the in the abdominal muscles. The one of the major update that I want to tell you, that Antra was strictly injected by the trained personnel or the healthcare provider, but the important fact related to the Sienna Press is that a female can self-administer this injection. Dosing interval for these injections for the Antra was the 3 months, around 12 to 14 weeks, but for this it is the 15 weeks. Roughly we can consider the 3 months. The very important thing that you are not supposed to massage both of these injections after the administration. So this is the major update that is coming related to the National Family Planning Program. So hope this video is very helpful for you guys and helpful for your NORCET or the any other medical exam. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned.